In this video, I will show you how to increase the cursor size on your laptop quickly and easily. So if your mouse pointer is too small, hard to see, or you just want to make it bigger and easier to find on the screen, this tutorial will show you exactly how to change the cursor size. Before we get started, make sure to leave a like on the video, comment below if you do have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials, Windows tips, and simple tech guides. Now to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type settings. Underneath best match you should see settings come up, give that a click, and that's going to open up your computer settings. What you want to do now is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto accessibility. And in the accessibility section, you're going to see an option for mouse pointer and touch. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, you can also change your mouse pointer style, so you can change the color, things like that. But you can see there's also a bar here to either increase or decrease the size of your mouse cursor. So you just want to hold down the left mouse button and drag this to your preferred size. And that is how to increase cursor size in laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.